Good morning students, welcome to the next lesson on the chapter Playing with Numbers. Let's discuss the assignment first. Find the HCF by listing the factors. The first question was 27, 75 and 45. So we will list the factors of all the three numbers. So factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27. Factors of 75 are 1, 3, 5, 15, 25, 75. And factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Common factors are 1 and 3. So what will be the highest common factor? Correct. It is 3. Next question. 54, 72, 102. So factors of 54 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. Factors of 72 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. Factors of 102 are 1, 2, 3, 6, then 17, 34, 51 and 102. So what are the common factors here? Yes, the common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So the highest common factor will be 6. Okay. Next question. Find the HCF by prime factorization method. 7021 and 4130. So we will prime factorize both the numbers. Okay. So prime factorization of 7021 is, so by which lowest prime number it is divisible? Correct. It is divisible by 7. Okay. So it will be 1003. Again, it is divisible by 17. Okay. And it will give 59 as the remainder, and 59 is a prime number. So it will be divisible by itself. Okay. This is the prime factorization of 7021. Let's see the prime factorization of 4130. So the lowest prime number it is divisible by it is 2. So it will give 2065. Again, it will give 5. Division by 5 will give 413. Now, by which number is it divisible? Okay, it is divisible by 7. And it will give 59 as the quotient. Again, 59 is the prime number. So it will be divisible by itself. And it will give 1. Okay, so the prime factorization of both the numbers have been done. So 7021 can be written as 7 into 17 into 59, and 4130 can be written as 2 into 5 into 7 into 59. Now here the common factors are 7 and 7, 59, 59. So HCF will be 7 into 59, 413. Okay. Next question. 180, 144, 192. So prime factorization of all the three numbers. So it will be divisible by 2 first. It will give 90. Again by 2, 45. Now the lowest prime number it is divisible by is 3. So it will give 15. And again 3, 5. And at the last we'll get 5. Okay. 144. 2, 72, again by 2, 36, again by 2, 18, again by 2, it will give 9, again 3, finally we get 1. Okay, 192. The lowest prime number it is divisible by is 2, 96, 48, 24, 12, 6 and 3. So this is the prime factorization of all the three numbers. Now 180 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And 192 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So the common factors here are 2, one more 2 and 3. There are no more common factors. So HCF will be 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. Okay. Next question. Find the HCF by continued division method. 213, 2485, 8520. Okay. So what we will do? We will divide 2485 by 213 first. So when we divide it, it will go 11 times. Okay. So 11 times it will go. So it will give 2343 and the remainder will be 142. Okay. Now this becomes the divisor and 213 will become the dividend. Now it will go one time and the remainder will be 71. Again 71 will become the divisor and 142 will become the dividend. So how many times will it go? 2 times. So this is your answer. Now in these two numbers we found the HCF to be 71. Now we will divide the last number by 71. Okay. So we divide 8520 by 71. So it will give 1. One time it will go first. Then the remainder will be 14. Then 2 will come down. It will go 2 times. And it will give 142. Again remainder is 0. Now when 0 will come down, then we'll divide it by 0. And then we'll get 0 as the remainder. So the last divisor is 71. So HCF is 71. Okay. 1045 and 1520. So we will divide 1520 by 1045. So this will be the case, and first it will go one time. The remainder is, what is the remainder? Yes, 475. Okay, so now 475 becomes the divisor and 1045 becomes the dividend. So how many times now? Correct, 2 times. 950. The remainder is 95. Now again we'll divide it and it will go 5 times. Now finally the remainder is 0 and the last divisor is 95. So our HCF is 95. Alright. Now we'll learn lowest common multiple. As we know, many numbers have common multiples. We have seen many examples of multiples, like right in the last two videos I have been explaining you, and we have also found common multiples of many numbers, right? So out of the common multiples, there would be one lowest multiple. That multiple is known as lowest common multiple. Okay, here it will be multiple. Okay, we can find the LCM by the following three methods: by listing multiples, by prime factorization method, and by division method. So we will learn all three one by one. So the first one is by listing multiples. So example 1 is find the LCM of 12 and 16 by listing their multiples. So let us list the multiples of 12. So these are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. And multiples of 16 are 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, 112, 128 and so on. As you know, multiples are infinite, so we cannot write all the multiples here, right? So I have given here dot dot. Okay. Now let us find some common multiples. So common multiples are 48, 96 and so on. There will be more. Okay. So these two are some of the lowest multiples. So lowest common multiple will be 48. So lowest common multiple of 12 and 16 is 48. Okay. Find the LCM of 10, 15 and 18 by listing their multiples. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, so on. Multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135 and so on. And multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162 and so on. So what are the common multiples here? We can find only one common multiple in these set of multiples, that is 90, and it is the lowest one. We don't have any common multiple less than 90. So lowest common multiple will be 90. Okay. Next, by prime factorization method. Example 1. Find the LCM of 30 and 36 by prime factorization method. So we will first prime factorize 30 and 36. So you know very well how to prime factorize now. So quickly let's do it. So the lowest prime number from which 30 will be divided will be 2, 15, then 3, it will give 5, and finally we get 1 at the last. 36 will be written as 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3, and then finally we get 1. So 30 will be written as 2 into 3 into 5, and 36 will be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now see what we do here. See, we see that there are 3 prime factors in common. They are 2, 3 and 5. Right? There are 3 prime factors in both the factorization. Okay. Now, let's come to the first one, 2. Okay. How many 2's, maximum numbers of 2's are there? There are 2 2's. Okay. Because in 30, the prime factorization of 30, we have only 1 2. While in the prime factorization of 36, we have 2 2's. So we will take 2 2's. Okay. And how many 3's are there? How many maximum number of 3's are there? So there are 2 3's. Okay. And 1 5 is there. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Did you understand? We take the maximum numbers of each prime factor in a single factorization. So LCM will be 180. Let's see another example also so that it becomes clear. Find the LCM of 42 and 96 by prime factorization method. So 42, first number will be 2, it will give 21, then 3, it will give 7. So finally we get 1, and 96 will be written as 2. Again, this you know how to do it very well. Alright. So 42 will be written as 2 into 3 into 7, and 96 will be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now how many numbers of maximum numbers of 2 are there? There are 5 2's in the prime factorization of 96. So we will take all 2's, and there is only 1 3, so we will take 1 3. Only 1 7, so we will take 1 7, and all 5 2's from the prime factorization of 96. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, that is 672. Alright. Now we come to the easiest method of finding LCM, that is division method. This is the easiest and the fastest method to find the LCM. So first question is, find the LCM of 72 and 108 by division method. So we will write both of them together, and we'll draw a line beside it and below it, and then we will find the lowest prime factor by which both of the numbers are divisible. So both are even numbers, so we will take 2 and we will divide both the numbers by 2. Okay, so we'll get 36 and 54. Again both the numbers are even numbers, so both will be divisible by 2. So we will divide both the numbers by 2 and we will get 18 and 27. Now tell me, which is the smallest prime number by which both of them is divisible? You are absolutely correct. It is 3. Okay. So we will divide both the numbers by 3 and we'll get 6 and 9. Again both the numbers are divisible by 3. So we'll get 2 and 3. Now in the last we see that we have both the prime factors here. So no need to factorize it further. No need to divide it any further. If we get all the prime factors in the end. Okay. So now we will take all the numbers on the left side and below, and we'll write it as LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 Alright, next question. Find LCM of 36, 54, 72 by division method. So we'll do the next one. 2. So we got 18, 27 and 36. Now the lowest prime number by which all three of them are divisible is 3. So we'll get 6, 9 and 12. Again all three of them are divisible by 3. We'll get 2, 3 and 4. Now now see here very properly. Now we have 4 and 2 here, and both of them are divisible by 2. So we will divide them by 2, and we will divide only these two numbers by 2, only 2 and 4. We will not divide 3 by 2. Okay, so we will write 1, 3 and 2. 3 will be written as it is. It is written untouched if it is not divisible by the given prime factor. Okay. Now LCM will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2, that is 216. Alright. Assignment. Find the LCM by listing the multiples. 4, 8, 12 and 6, 10, 18. Find the LCM by prime factorization method. 112, 168, 266, 16, 28, 40, 77. Find the LCM by division method. 84, 96, 144, 102, 170, 136. So students, these are the questions which you have to do as assignment. So do your homework, stay at home, be safe.